What's up, guys? I thought I'd come out today and test out my Rode VideoMic Pro. So we got a new audio system on my camera mounted externally. Got the Henry Repeating Arms 22 caliber rifle, and I'm gonna see if I can hit this target. Right now I'm just loading them one by one. Okay, so I have a target. It's a little sewer sticking out of the bank down here at about 100 yards, maybe a little more. Got it once. The nice little solo round, hollow point. Gonna try and hit this sewer. Got him. Just got my new gun belt, if you guys can check it out, for my little Ruger single 6 here. It's pretty nice. Got it on Amazon. It's got a little 22 caliber bullet compartments in there. That's real nice, and it's made of some good leather. This has a nice little decoration on it. But this is the best part. Alright, so now I'm going to try and hit that target with the trusty Ruger single 6. Now this is definitely a bit louder than that rifle. Got it. Just over it. I think I have one more round left. Got it. Just gonna shoot some clays today. We're using some Federal ammunition, and let's see how she fares. Smoked him. Uh-oh. It doesn't hurt to be your own clay thrower every once in a while. Gets them every time. Now this time I won't short chuck the shotgun like I did last time. Just like that. Alright, now wasn't that fun? Well, what you guys saw today was a little destruction action from the Remington 870 Wingmaster. This guy's got a really long barrel. A little front bead sight on there, and yeah, this thing is actually from 1956. Get a close look at this. This was my grandpa's first shotgun when he moved to this country from Denmark. And yeah, this is just a really classic firearm. The 870s have been were a tool used by the police for a very long time in the 50s. This was riding in every single cop car with probably a little bit of a shorter barrel. But yeah, this guy is awesome, and I can hit just about every clay I will shoot at with this thing. Oh, looks like we have an empty chamber. Let's play some Russian roulette, see where it lands. Yeah, it gets harder and harder when this thing gets dirty to force these 22 caliber rounds into the cylinder. It gets gunked up too quick with this dirty ammunition. All right, we're topped off.